occasion that Katie and I both get to go do all of the chores this morning. The kids are on a sleepover, and yeah, we are excited, aren't we, Katie?
Yeah.
Go get all of our chores done. So, hope you guys are all having a beautiful day. Lucky it wasn't on. Meat birds? Check. Everybody. Morning, Miss Clover.
Hi. Mama.
Who's that?
Hey, Clover.
No, I used the rock. Guinea.
Yesterday the guinea was on
Guinea.
top of the coop.
Be nice now, Guinea.
Brahma.
Let me just freshen up there too.
Guinea, no. Out. Guinea, out.
Come on, little babies. Come on, little baby silkies. Go find the food. Go find the food.
You need to fall there.
All right. Layer birds. All done. On to the goatees. Well, then let's just let them out. Let's just let them out in here then. Let me get this gate closed up. I said, hold on, let me get the gate closed up. These gates are hard to do one-handed.
Okay.
Morning, Hickory. Rose, Maggie. Morning, Maggie. How are ya? You ready for some head scratches? Buddy? Penny, be good. You're okay, little buddy. You're okay. Why are your ears wet? Rose, will you getting a drink?
It happens when you have long ears, so I'll go for the other side.
Yeah, that'd be good. Morning, Hickory. There we go. Okay. Yo.
At least it's just chicken feed.
I got chicken. I got the chicken feed on me. Yeah, at least it's not chicken poo.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks for going along with us, guys, while we do our morning chores. I hope you have a beautiful day. May Yahuwah bless you. And we will see you on the next video.
Bye.